Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can modify text in PDF files using WPS Office. So if you need to edit text in a PDF file on your phone or PC, WPS Office will make it easy, fast and free. And you can just follow this guide to modify, add or delete text in your PDFs. So first, you can just open WPS Office and tap on the PDF file that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to go with this one. And now once the PDF is open, you can just tap on Tools at the top. And in here, you can just edit the text. Click on Edit in here. And that will be this options to edit PDF. You can also add text if you want to. But as you guys can see, edit PDF here is a pro feature, so you need to upgrade your WPS into Pro if you want to edit your PDF. But let's see if I can do it. So here you can delete the text or add something here once you enable the edit PDF options. Okay, if you want to delete something, you can just delete the parts that you want to delete and tap on delete or backspace on your keyboard like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and also click on thanks. Bye.